in our yard. Don't tell them people that say no. Yes, I am. Come on, let down. This is how you do when they start dance. You know, intensity, you know. But when I use just come here, you know, man. As I little youth and speak, you know. The man, they have big sound on the road. Intensity. What do you say now, Lisa? You broke my little. But I tell you, man. One thing you said now, you said to the man to put all their trust in a woman, don't it? Because some woman say they love you to death, but yet you let her run them around with another man. And you put all your heart and soul in it. And then she come and tell you this. What you say now, Lisa? Yes, sir. Because hey, get on this man.